Hey guys, welcome back to the Prep Lab YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss coordinate geometry. It is one of the important topic in SAT preparation, IBA Karachi, whether you're applying for everywhere. Okay. So you must understand the basic of coordinate geometry. If you don't understand the basic of coordinate geometry, you won't be able to understand and solve the question. Okay, so basically what exactly coordinate geometry? So there are 2 points. Whenever this is a rectangular coordinate, for example, this is the rectangular coordinate, and let me. So this is a rectangular coordinate. So if this is a line, so this line exists on a y-axis and y point, right? So how did you find the slope? Slope you find rise over run, and the formula is y over x. Or if there are 2 points, so you will find slope y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So this is the basic formula to find the slope. Someone called it slope, someone called it as a tan theta, someone called as a rate. So there are different names for different problems. And what is the slope point form? This is the slope intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus c. So here m is the slope and y and x are what? Are the points, and c is the y-intercept. Okay, so this is the basic standard of the equation. Then this way you can solve any equation of any given point. Okay, so this is the question IBA asked in one of their tests of computer science. So let's solve it. It's a very deep question, and it contains all that we test all the major concept of coordinate geometry. So let's do it. So first read out loudly. The graph of the line xy plane has a slope -2 and contains the point 25. Okay, and the graph of a second line passes through the point 15 and 42. If the two lines are intersect at point AB, what is the value of A minus B? Okay, so basically there are two lines, so we will solve it one by one. So line, for example, this is the line 1 calculation. This is a line 2 calculation. So line has a slope -2 and have point 25. Line 2 has a slope points 15 and 42. So we can find the equation, because we have these lines are getting intersect, so we have to find the equation. If we find the equation of line 1 and line 2, then we will solve it by simultaneous equation, and then we will get x or y in terms of A and B, and then we can do this A minus B. So basically this is how this we can find it. This is another formula, y minus y1. This is the y point, m x minus x naught. So this is the y, and this is the y1, y naught. This is a 5. M is the slope -2, x minus 2. So this is the equation A. Now how we will find the equation of line 2? First we have to find the slope. y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So y2 is a 2 minus 5, 4 minus 1. So -3 divided by 3. So -1 is a slope. So here -1 is a slope. You can pick any point, for example x naught or y naught. If for example pick a point 1 and 5. So you can put in this equation y minus y naught, m x minus x naught. So y minus y5 is the 0.5, -1 is the slope, and x minus x1. So this is the equation number 2. So you have find the value of point equation of line A and line B. So you have a 2 point. Now they are getting intersect. So you will what you will do? You will solve it through simultaneous equation. So this is the y minus 1, y minus 5, sorry, -2, x minus 2, and equation A, and y minus 5, -1, x minus one equation B. Okay, so you know that these lines are equal, right? This side equal y minus 5y, so that will be cancelled out, right? So if you cancel it out, this will be equal plus 1. Okay, and okay, so you don't have to solve this. You can just compare it, right? Minus 2x plus 4 and minus x plus 1, because these are getting cancelled. So minus 2x plus 4, this will be, and this will be equivalent. So minus 2x and this will be what? Minus x, and 4, 1 minus 4, so x will be equal to 3. Now you get a x is equal to 3. Put equation in A. Equation A is saying that y minus 5 is equal to minus 2. What is the value of x? 3 minus 2. So y minus 5 is equal to 3 minus 1, 1, and 1 minus minus 2. So y will be equal to minus 2 plus 5. Y is equal to 3. So they are asking in terms of A and B. So here xy will be equal to AB. And what is the value of x? They are asking what? A minus B. So A is equal to 5 or 3 and B is equal to 3. So it is become 0. So just check out this question. So this is a very deep question based on a lot of calculation. So it tests a lot of topics in a one question. You should know how to expect the equation. You should know how to find a slope, and then you should also have an understanding of how to find the intersection, how to solve intersection equation, and how to convert the xy plane into AB form, and then at the end you will find the value of A minus. We hope this solution are easier one, and hope it is understandable. And if it is understandable, don't forget to subscribe to Ableck YouTube channel and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.